Hi everyone, welcome back to Messy and Beautiful. I'm Sarah Jane. Thanks for joining me for another video. I'm going to be sharing with you a sticker haul today. My sticker pile is slowly getting bigger and bigger, so I'm going to try and do a few of these videos. I don't need any more stickers, but as I said in my last video, I've been through a bit of a phase where I've been ordering things. Some of these are PR packs for different shops, and I'll talk to you a little bit about that as we go through. But let's just get stuck in. I'm going to try and cut down the talking at the start of a video because I appreciate I ramble on a little bit, and it's not always the best to sit and just watch somebody chat at you. So the first shop that I've got is Mundane Sunday. I did some PR work for Mundane Sunday, and this is my last PR order from them. They don't have a PR team at the moment, but I do expect that it will probably come back at some point next year. So the first thing that you get is a little like postcard with all the characters on, and I love this one. I've got a couple of the message on it and a discount code for your next order if you wanted to use it. I can't share a discount code with you, as I say, I'm not PRing for them anymore, but these were part of that PR pack. But the first thing that I got is a little sampler sheet. So cute. Look at Eric. I love him. He's one of my favourites, so I absolutely love this. And I've actually got a one-page kit, so I'll probably try and incorporate it with that as well, maybe do a plan with me. And the next thing I got was the autumn bucket list, just with all the different things that you can do. Try a new type of pie, experiment with some autumnal ingredients, wear super fuzzy socks. I can't wait for that. It's not quite cold enough yet, but it will be soon, I'm sure. Wrap up warm and head outside, make something out of leaves, play board games. There's loads of things on here. And then the next one is Rosie going to the post box. One of my favourite stickers. I've used most of these already, so I ordered another sheet of those. That was my sampler, but you can't get this anymore. Then I've got Brian with the hashtags. Again, I do a lot of social media, so that's quite good for me as a reminder. I love the playful ones. There's a whole range of playful toys and things for children on Mundane Sunday, and that's one of the things I really love about the shop, because for me there's a lot of kid time in my planning. So this one is them building blocks with Lego. And then I got a knitting one, hoping to get back into knitting now we're heading into autumn, so that's the reason I got that one. I've got a justification for everything. And then Fast Food Heaven, because we eat a lot of fast food, however much we shouldn't do. Slightly sweary, not very sweary, but burnt out, because that's how I've been feeling a lot recently. Spending money when you shouldn't have stickers, with little Rosie peeking out the back. This is definitely what I have been doing a lot recently, which is why you're getting so many haul videos. And they are a little bit sweary, so I won't read what they are. And then there's just a freebie sheet there with some boxes and some checklists. I really like the snowflake pattern around this, that's really cute. So that's Mundane Sunday. Then the next three are all from Peach Puddles Co. So I placed an order when she reopened, because I was still doing PR work then. So I've got one pack for PR. This is another order that I had, by which time I wasn't on the PR team anymore. So this is one that I ordered. And then this one was just a few thank yous. Just going to get them all open, it's a bit noisy. Was just a little thank you because my order was delayed, so she threw in some extra stickers, which I thought was really kind. So I've got a couple of the little thank you cards there, and then I'll show you what I've got. So just some happy birthday banners. These are the freebies that were put in. My daughter loves these things. She's got one of these now. She got it in a party bag. Fidget poppers, I think they're called. Absolutely sit there for hours playing with it. Some Father Christmas belts, super cute. And then Peach Puddles Co. have a range of die cuts. They're the jar shaped die cuts. I've got quite a few of these, but I got another two. So I think did I order both? I think I did order both, just because I've already got a little collection, and I wanted to keep it going. And it's just, I love Hallie and Poe watching the fireworks, just so cute. And then Hallie in her little Halloween costume. I probably should have put that in my planner already, shouldn't I? And then I've got Hallie with a sparkler. I absolutely love Hallie. She's still one of my favourite characters. Even though I don't PR for them anymore, it is something that I use and that I love, so I will continue to buy from Peach Puddles Co. And there is a new PR team, so if you did want a discount, I'm sure you can find on Instagram. But Fireworks Night is one of my favourite nights as well, so having her with a little sparkler is just amazing. And then Poe raking the leaves. And then this kit that I ordered This was when she first reopened, and I tried to cut down the amount I was ordering from her, but I just couldn't resist this kit because I think the artwork is just amazing, and it's all hand drawn, and that's one thing I love about Peach Puddles Co. And then some date covers and some to-dos, and then some boxes, a weekend banner and checklists. And I actually think that I use most of these mini kits when I get them because it is the things that I use all the time. So I do think they are really good for that. And then this one is them just playing board games. Oh, that was one of the other reasons I got the few extra freebies thrown in. Beth told me she was having trouble getting these cut and that they weren't cutting properly. So I said just chuck them in anyway, and then she sent me a few freebies just as an apology. But she did message me. Her customer service is great because she did offer me to cancel it as well, but I didn't want to because I really wanted those stickers because we play a lot of board games. There's the two of them eating pizza. And then I think this was the sheet that I got in substitution for the board game sheet that didn't cut very well. Some beautiful baby blue snowflakes. And I love that hollow. I hope you can see that because it is just really beautiful. Try and catch the light a little bit. So that's Peach Puddles Co. Then the next one is Silent Beauty Plans. I have never done PR for Silent Beauty Plans, but there is a sheet in here that I needed if I could get the packet open. There we go. There is a sheet in here that I wanted, and whilst I was there I thought I might as well order another one, load of other stuff, because I'm very much if I'm going to pay for postage I might as well make it worthwhile. So this one, Lily Loves Crafting, I have used this sheet about 3 times over, but I've always bought them on D-stashes, so it's always been like a couple of them and not the whole sheet. There's just kind of been leftovers from other people, but because I use it so much I was like, I need to buy this, because I'd run out and I was looking for it and I was like, oh yeah, I ran out of that one. So I went on and I ordered another one. So that's the reason I placed an order with Silent Beauty Plans. And then you get a little sampler. Flip-flops make your toes feel like they're on vacation. Very cute. I'll be saving that for next year, I think. And that was one of the PR girls sampler sheets. And then I've got Susie Makes Stickers because I am doing this a lot at the moment with my own shop, and I thought it'd be nice to mark it in my planner. And I just love the one where she's throwing the printer across the room. That was me recently because I've had to go out and buy a new printer because my printer's just decided after about 10 years to give up the ghost. I just think that one is really cute, makes me laugh. And then Susie is frustrated. I love the girls at Silent Beauty Plans. They're like my favourite thing from there. I love this one with the little laptop on fire. Throwing stuff around, just cute. And then this is the autumn sampler. I love that check, that's really pretty. That one says go hiking, super cute. And then some mild liner checklists. I love the colour palette of this. This was one of the reasons I chose it. I don't really use mild liners that much, but I do use a checklist, so there we go. And then the sticky notes. Again, the colours of this, I just love her colour palettes. I think they're beautiful. So that's Silent Beauty Plans. And then the last one is Legally Planning. Let me just get this open. So I wasn't going to order anything from Legally Planning in my last month of PR, but I thought as it was my last opportunity, I thought I might as well stock up my stash, and she did a kit that was absolutely gorgeous, so you can probably see a sneak of anyway. But that's the August freebie, so I've had these for a little while. Most of these actually have been sitting in packets, again motivation for me to get back on. Study in Twinkle because I'm doing a lot of learning at the moment. Podcast, I just thought for listening to podcasts rather than, you know, recording them. Fuel, and then some cross-stitch twinkles. Again, a winter a like autumnal winter hobby for me, so there we go. And then this kit, I ordered the whole thing just because, look at it, I thought it was absolutely gorgeous. The artwork, the colours, I love that it's a little bit spooky, a little bit witchy, so I ordered the whole thing because I've been trying to just order like one sheet rather than the whole kit, because a lot of the stuff in a kit I don't necessarily use, but as it was my last one I thought why not treat myself. So yeah, you get your 8 full boxes as usual, your box sheet there. Then this one's got checklists, next week's habit trackers, loads of icons. There's so many icons in these kits as well. and look at those header strips. I just think they're beautiful. This was one of the reasons. I thought by the time I've bought 3 sheets from this kit, I might as well buy the whole thing. And then that's the deco sheet, and again you get some icons and some scripts as well, so you get really spoiled with the kits from Legally Planning, I find. And then some date dots, little movie box, some more boxes and checklists and page flags and that sort of thing. So yeah, that's my haul this time round. There is another 1, possibly 2, maybe more to come, but I'm just gonna do what I normally do, bring everything back in. Loads of stickers here. I've definitely bought enough to like last me a lifetime, haven't I? I'm never going to use all the stickers I own, guys. Do you use everything that you buy? Because if you do, I would love to know how you get through it all when there's so many lovely things for sale everywhere. Let's put that one at the back. So there we go, another epic sticker haul. Thanks very much for joining me. Hit the subscribe button if you enjoyed this and want to see more from me. And don't forget to go and follow me on Instagram, and I'll leave my handle down below. Take care, everyone. Bye.